Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of ineffective truck wash soaps that leave your rig looking lackluster? Well, you are in luck. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of truck wash soaps to bring you the ultimate guide to achieving a showroom shine. From cutting-edge formulas to time-tested favorites, we have handpicked the 7 best truck wash soaps that promise to revitalize your ride. Get ready to discover the power of professional-grade cleaning right in your own driveway. At the first position of our list, we have Chemical Guys CWS 40216 Mr. Pink Foaming Car Wash Soap. Your ticket to a showroom shine with every wash. Crafted with precision by Chemical Guys, this premium foaming soap is designed to elevate your car washing experience to the next level. Infused with advanced cleaning agents, Mr. Pink effortlessly lifts dirt, grime and contaminants from your vehicle's surface, leaving behind a brilliant streak-free finish. With its rich foam formula, Mr. Pink clings to your vehicle, ensuring maximum coverage and deep cleaning action. Its pH-balanced formula is gentle on wax and sealant layers, preserving your vehicle's shine and protection. Plus, its powerful yet safe ingredients make it suitable for all car surfaces including paint, glass, plastic and rubber. Not just effective, Mr. Pink is also built to last. Its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, providing excellent value for money. Whether you are a detailing enthusiast or professional, Mr. Pink delivers professional-grade results without breaking the bank. Upgrade your car washing routine today with Chemical Guys CWS 40216 Mr. Pink Foaming Car Wash Soap and experience the difference for yourself. Transform your vehicle into a head-turning masterpiece with every wash. At number 2, we have Rainx 620191 Foaming Car Wash, a premium cleaning solution designed to give your vehicle a spotless, streak-free shine. With its advanced formula and generous 100 fluid ounce bottle, this car wash delivers professional-grade results at an exceptional value. The Rainx Foaming Car Wash features a rich, foaming lather that lifts dirt, grime and road contaminants effortlessly, ensuring a true and effective clean. Its partially formulated blend is safe for all vehicle finishes including clear coats, leaving your car looking its best without any risk of damage. Experience unmatched effectiveness with the Rainx 620191 Foaming Car Wash. The powerful foam clings to the surface, breaking down tough stains and rinsing away cleanly without leaving any residue. This car wash not only cleans but also enhances your vehicle's shine, making it looking like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Built for durability, this car wash is highly concentrated, meaning a little goes a long way, providing multiple washes per bottle. Its easy-to-use formula works with any wash method, whether you prefer a sponge, mitt, or foam cannon. Despite its premium quality, the Rainx Foaming Car Wash is competitively priced, offering excellent value for its effectiveness and ease of use. Next up at number 3, we have Nanoskin Nano SUDS Foaming Car Wash Soap. Your go-to solution for achieving a professional-grade clean with minimal effort. Crafted with precision by Nanoskin, this advanced foaming car wash soap is designed to elevate your car washing experience to new heights. The innovative formula of Nano SUDS combines cutting-edge cleansing agents with powerful foaming actions, effectively lifting away dirt, grime and contaminants from your vehicle's surface. Its rich foam clings to your car, ensuring through coverage and a deep, streak-free clean without striping wax or sealants. Not only is Nano SUDS highly effective, but it's also designed to last. Its concentrated formula means you only need a small amount to achieve exceptional results, providing excellent value for your money. Plus, its gentle yet powerful formula is safe for all car surfaces including paint, glass, plastic and rubber. With Nano SUDS, you can say goodbye to dull, dirty cars and hello to a showroom shine in no time. Whether you are a detailing enthusiast or a professional, Nanoskin Nano SUDS Foaming Car Wash Soap is the perfect choice for maintaining your vehicle's appearance and protecting its finish for years to come. The number 4 position is held by Chems Pro 100 Touchless Car Wash Detergent Soap, the ultimate solution for achieving a spotless showroom shine without the need for manual scrubbing. Engineered by Chems, this professional-grade detergent soap is specifically designed for touchless car washing systems, delivering superior cleaning performance with ease. The advanced formula of Chems Pro 100 combines powerful cleaning agents with foaming action, effectively lifting away dirt, grime and road residue from your vehicle's surface. Its unique design ensures maximum coverage and penetration, leaving behind a streak-free finish without the risk of scratches or swirls. Not only is Chems Pro 100 highly effective, but it's also built to last. Its durable formula withstands the vices of frequent use, providing reliable performance wash after wash. Plus, its concentrated formula means you only need a small amount to achieve professional results, saving you time and money. Whether you are a car wash owner or a detailing enthusiast, Wash Chems Pro 100 Touchless Car Wash Detergent Soap is the perfect choice for maintaining a pristine vehicle appearance with minimal effort. Experience the power of touchless cleaning and elevate your car washing routine today. The number 5 position is dominated by Malco CW37 Premium Car Wash Concentrate, your key to achieving a professional level clean for your car or truck. Crafted by Malco, a trusted name in automotive care, this high-foaming car and truck wash soap is designed to deliver exceptional results with every wash. The advanced formula of Malco CW37 combines powerful cleaning agents with high-foaming action, effectively lifting away dirt, grime, and road residue from your vehicle's surface. Its rich foam clings to your vehicles, ensuring through coverage and a deep, streak-free clean without the need for scrubbing. Not only is Malco CW37 highly effective, but it's also built to last. Its concentrated formula means you only need a small amount to achieve professional-grade results, providing excellent value for your money. Plus, its gentle yet powerful formula is safe for all car surfaces including paint, glass, plastic, and rubber. With Malco CW37 Premium Car Wash Concentrate, you can enjoy a showroom shine without the hassle. Whether you are a detailing enthusiast or a professional, Malco CW37 is the perfect choice for maintaining your vehicle's appearance and protecting its finish for years to come. Next up at number 6, we have Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash Soap, the ultimate solution for achieving a brilliant showroom finish with ease. Crafted by Armor All, a trusted name in automotive care, this premium car wash soap is designed to deliver exceptional results while pampering your vehicle's paintwork. The advanced formula of Armor All Ultra Shine combines powerful cleaning agents with foaming action, effectively lifting away dirt, grime, and contaminants without stripping wax or sealants. Its rich foam provides maximum coverage, ensuring a true clean for your car surface. Not only is Armor All Ultra Shine highly effective, but it's also built to last. Its concentrated formula means you only need a small amount to achieve professional-grade results, providing excellent value for your money. Plus, its gentle yet powerful formula is safe for all car surfaces including paint, glass, plastic, and rubber. With Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash Soap, you can enjoy a luxurious car wash experience at home. Whether you are a car enthusiast or simply want to maintain your vehicle's appearance, Armor All Ultra Shine is the perfect choice for achieving a brilliant, streak-free shine that lasts. Elevate your car washing routine and indulge your vehicle in the care it deserves with Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash Soap. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have Meguiar's G10464 Deep Crystal Car Wash, the ultimate solution for achieving a pristine, glossy finish with every wash. Crafted by Meguiar's, a renowned name in automotive care, this premium car wash is designed to deliver exceptional results while pampering your vehicle's paintwork. The advanced formula of Meguiar's Deep Crystal Car Wash combines powerful cleaning agents with foaming action, effectively lifting away dirt, grime, and contaminants without stripping wax or sealants. Its rich foam provides maximum coverage, ensuring a true clean for your car surface. Not only is Meguiar's Deep Crystal Car Wash highly effective, but it's also built to last. Its concentrated formula means you only need a small amount to achieve professional-grade results, providing excellent value for your money. Plus, its gentle yet powerful formula is safe for all car surfaces including paint, glass, plastic, and rubber. With Meguiar's Deep Crystal Clear Wash, you can enjoy a luxurious car wash experience at home. Whether you are a car enthusiast or simply want to maintain your vehicle's appearance, Meguiar's Deep Crystal Car Wash is the perfect choice for achieving a brilliant streak-free shine that lasts. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found a guide to the best truck wash soaps helpful in your quest for a pristine vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and product recommendations. And remember, with the right soap, keeping your truck looking its best has never been easier. Until next time, happy washing!